Hi there, today we're going to be going over the pin setter feature of TurfPro. Pin setter is one of the main features of TurfPro that not only allows you to mark and track your pins over time, but provides a QR code that allows anyone to access the pin sheet to view the pins for the day. You can access pin setter after you've already selected your property. It's one of the top options on the left side. When you select pin setter, if your POGO is on and you're on the course, then you should see your GPS coordinate on the turf. You'll also see the previous day's pins if you've set them and if you've already set pins for today. We're going to go ahead and reset today's pin. All you have to do is walk over to the spot where the pin is at and hit the plus. We're going to hit replace existing because we want to reset the pin for today. You can also select a future date below to set future pins. And then you just hit plus. Now we can see the previous day's pin, today's pin, and our future pin. Also, if the GPS isn't working, you're far away, or just don't feel like walking over to the next spot, you can always tap and hold on screen to use the GPS override to mark the spot. And then just hit plus, replace existing, and there's our new future pin. Now, before we view our pins in the pin sheet, we first need to upload to the cloud. So hit the cloud icon at the bottom and sync now. Then hit home again, back up to the property hub, then click analysis and then pin sheet. We can see all our pins here. The pins that show up are the most recent ones you've uploaded. So if you don't change your pins each day, it'll show where you last recorded them. And if you marked future pins, then the pin sheet will automatically update when that date arrives. And normally we'd have a QR code here to share the pin sheet with others. But first we need to set up a public key. So let's go do that. To set the public key, we first need to back up twice to our property hub. Then we click the gear icon in the top right. Then we just need to scroll down to the very bottom where the public key section is and hit the pencil icon. Here we can type in whatever you want the public key to be. Think of a public key as a unique name for your webpage link that you set. We're going to name ours Rock Creek Country Club, but make sure there's no spaces in there. Then hit save in the top right. You can now see the webpage link has updated with our public key name. Now let's head back to our pin sheet. And there's our QR code to share. Anyone who scans this QR code will be able to see the pin sheet we've created. It's important to mention as well that logging into TurfPro on desktop gives you quite a few options to customize your pin sheet, including uploading your company logo. With Pin Planner and Pin Sheet, sharing pin locations is simple, accurate, and instant. Keep your crew aligned, keep your players informed, and maintain consistency day after day, all from one place. It's another way TurfPro helps you streamline operations and deliver a better experience on your course. For more details, check out our other tutorials and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching and happy POGOing!